Namaste, Jevin. I, Jevin Shubhakumari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today, I deliver a lecture on this topic: prevention and mitigation of soil pollution. How to prevent soil pollution? Now, how to conserve soil through biological method and mechanical method. In which biological method, crop related and forest related methods practices are used to prevent soil pollution, and second one, mechanical method, contour holding system making bunds. First one, biological method, uh, crop crop related crop related crop rotation, planting along with the contour, strip cropping, strip farming, protector bed. These are the practices involved to use protect the soil pollution. First one, crop rotation. It in crop rotation, it implies frequent succession of the crop on the same portion of the land in a given time frame. Crop mix such as wheat, mustard, arhar, groundnut, maize with copy extra can be grown. Thus, after harvest, one crop there is another growing up of covering the soil so that the soil is never bare or exposed. Planting along the contour, leguminous plant leguminous plants, cowpea, and cereal crops can be grown in a particular way to check the soil erosion. This helps farmer get maximum profit with least investment and increase the fertility of the soil. How to strip cropping prevent the soil pollution? And these reduce the velocity of water and flow and prevent the erosion. Strip farming, these prevent the erosion by the reducing sludge. These lead to the use of hilly land for cultivation. Crop residue, by laying a thin layer of 10 to 15 centimeter of crop residue in a farming, erosion and vaporization can be prevented. With this method, Rabi crop can be increased up to 30%. After a crop, we should leave the stubble in the field. Then untimely rains and winds don't destroy much. Protector belt, by planting trees and bush in the right angle depending on the direction of wind along that field. The erosion caused by the wind can be stopped. Use of fertilizer, use of dung, manure, clarinet or compost, green manure and other organic compost residue, soil erosion, reduce the soil erosion. Second one method, forest implantation method. How to forest implantation method reduce the soil erosion? Forests are very helpful in preventing soil erosion. There are two functions under this method. First one, develop the forest in new areas for increasing the soil fertility and formation. These reduce the erosion of rainwater and air. Second, new forestry should be adapted where there is excessive pollution of forest and excessive animal feed and surface degradation. Second one method, mechanical method. In this method, mechanical component are used to reduce the soil erosion. This method is relatively expensive but effective to control holding system. In this, the field are planted in the right direction of the sloping direction so that our water flowing through the slopes cannot erode the soil, making bunds across the slopes prevent the erosion in excessive sloping place. Gully control, by stopping the flooding water, by increase the vegetative cover and in creating new pathway for runoff. Government effort for the soil conservation. Soil erosion result in the sealing of the soil surface, giving lower infiltration rate and increased runoff. There are many areas worldwide where the erosion has led to be serious degradation of the field and made it unfit for the crop production. With the introduction of the first 5-year plan in India, many steps were taken in this direction. The problems is being identified with the help of remote sensing technology and nationwide introduction of forestry. has been initiated in different areas. It also includes social forestry in Rajasthan, Indira Gandhi Canal Project, deserts development program, and westland plantation research centers have been started. June cultivation, also June cultivation, also known as a Zooming farming, a traditional form of shifting cultivation or rotational agroforestry, has been started with 100% central assistance in northeast state, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Apart from these, many programs are being conducted directly or indirectly for soil conservation. How to help organic farming for soil conservation? Organic farming. Organic farming is a good option for the reducing the soil pollution. If the fertile capacity of land is reduced, the day is not far when the problem of getting food will come common. To avoid this we should try to safeguard the environment and reduce the soil pollution. We should promote such farming where there is no harm to the environment. Today, in most industrial agriculture, there is a excessive use of chemical fertilizer and insecticide. Though many types of pollutant are responsible for destroying the fertility of land. Just example, excessive use of chemical fertilizers is one of the main reason which is cause soil pollution. Thank you guys. If you have any query, any doubt regarding this session, please write in comment box. Thank you.